To move the scope of work up to the top of the page on the office cleaning page, simply log into SiteGround, enter the password, go to Websites, then go to WordPress Admin. This is a test site I created. Don't choose this one. Go here to Service Solutions Now. Computer is going very slow. Okay, now you're in the WordPress dashboard. So you could look at all the pages you have, all pages, and select the page. Or one way is to go to the top of the page. Another way is to go to the top of the page, select Visit Site, and then select the page that you want to edit. So we go to Cleaning, we go to Office. Now this is the page where we want to move this text here up to the top. So what we're going to do is edit the page. It's going to take you into the Divi Builder. This is the back end of the site. What we're going to do is build on the front end. So if you take your mouse, once you're in the edit mode, and you hover over the page, you'll see that there's different parts of the page that light up or that are highlighted. So this part of the page, this orange section, is for the entire top part here. So look where it starts and look for where it ends. So that shows you what parts you have grabbed. But we don't want to move all of this. If you look here, for example, you'll see that you could move this part of the text. Or if you hover here, you could move this part of the text. What we want to do, and this is where what you click to move text. So what we want to do is scroll down here and hover with your mouse so that you move not this or this or this, but the whole section. So if you'll notice this whole section, see the blue bar, you have to look carefully. You'll see that this whole section will be moved. You have to make sure you're moving the whole section. So you highlight over this, make sure that you're moving the entire section, and grab this Move Section little icon here. Click and hold it down and move it all the way to the top of the page. Now you don't want to move it to the very top, you want to move it underneath the header. So you let go of your mouse right here. And then you'll see that it is now at the top of the page. And underneath it is what we had before. So you have to practice holding down, grabbing the section that you want, the whole section in this case, not this or this or this, but the whole section that gets highlighted in blue, and then click this move icon, hold your mouse down, and drag it where you want it to be. So now that it's where we want it to be, we're going to click this purple circle here at the bottom of the page. That's what you can use to save the changes you have made. So we're going to save the changes. So you can see the changes being saved here. This little spinner is going. The check mark means it's been saved. One other thing you can do is click these icons here and it'll show you what your page looks like in a phone view, a tablet view, or a desktop view. But what I'm going to do now is make sure that these changes are published. So we've made the changes on SiteGround, but we want to make sure that these changes actually are published to go to the internet. Now, one easy way I've found to do that is to click Edit Page again. This is going to come up when you do, and then click Update. And that's going to update it to the internet. Now, if you click another browser window here, and you type Service Solutions Now, we actually have to go into another browser to see, well, let's see here. You'll see that this is now at the top of the page, and then here's the rest. So I'm going to publish this video to YouTube, so I'll email you the YouTube link, and that's the end of the video.